So thank you so much. We are going to feed the fish the first time since we brought them. Um, let's see how they will respond. Abdurrahim, we are started training like that. Right now, the environment is new to them. They are receiving the first feed, so they are not aware of the feed for now. And one of the reasons or one of the ways beginner kill fish are that they just dump the feed and go. Now you wait. Now that they get to know, they are not eating now. So when they are not eating and they are finishing, then you can now be giving them. But don't just pour. If they don't eat it, it poisons the water.
Yeah.
So take note of that.
Organic material.
Yes.
So ammonia will come.
Come. So and because the pond is big, you don't expect that all of them will come here and eat. So after we give some here, we'll go back to that and there will be some people, some there. Then we can give.
Some people. There are people.
There are people, right?
Yeah.
Because they are not human. I thought I would make grammatical. I want to say people call them people. Yes.
There are people enough.
So you see that they are just finished eating that one, and they are still running around. It means they still need some. So you give them. That's what we call responsive feeding method.
Have you got it?
Yeah, responsive feeding method.
You don't just
Dump and go. Have you seen? So you be giving them, and you are observing how they are eating. You observe them. The moment they finish it faster, and they are still ground like that, they still need. Then you be adding them. When they slow down, and you still find some feet small on it, they stop. They'll eat the rest, and that was it. It is a bad practice to finish feeding them after 10 minutes, 5 minutes to 10 minutes. The feed is still all over the pond. It means you overfed them. The remaining one will dissolve, and that can increase ammonia, like Doc said, and it can kill the fish. So take this rule. Underfeeding is always better than overfeeding. Because if you underfeed them, they won't grow faster as you want them. But if you overfeed them, you kill them. Take that rule. So don't always try to feed them too much. That can kill them. Now, when you are feeding, you yourself will notice that, oh, they are not the way they were rushing, they were active, they are no more like that. Then you leave them. Especially if they are new like this. If they are new like this. So, Doc.
Yes.
The one who's supposed to work on the borehole.
Yes.
Have you keep in touch with him?
Yeah, he didn't fall in.
Yeah, because this water level.
It must go up.
Yes, if there's excessive sunlight, the temperature will rise.
Yes.
So we need to top it up.
So even if he doesn't come, we open the tank.
Okay.
Come in here.
And top it up. Yes. So then let's move to this side. But most of them are here, so that place only few are there, so they don't eat much. And usually, if they are small like this, some decide.
Don't continue dropping.
Yeah, don't continue. It's still there. It's still there. So wait.
It's a floating feet.
Feet, yeah.
So you can see it.